Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Mr. B. I am Mr. B, your friendly English buddy. And today, I promise you, this episode will be super useful, super fun, and super natural.
Yes, and hi everyone, I'm Anna. Today we're going to teach you the real English you hear every day, not the boring, dusty, old textbook English. We're talking about real life expressions that native speakers use all the time.
Exactly. But hey, before we start learning,
Please
whisper dramatically.
like
Comment!
and subscribe.
Yay! Okay, now let's jump into today's content before Anna gets too excited.
What, too excited? Never!
Part 1. Everyday friendly expressions for greetings, casual chats, daily life.
Number 1 is, hey, what's up?
Let's start with one of the most common ones, what's up? This doesn't mean, look at the ceiling. No.
Yes, what's up just means, how are you? What's happening? How are things?
And the answer is super easy. You can say, not much, all good, just chilling. I'm good, you?
It's very relaxed, very natural. If you walk into a coffee shop and your friend is there, you can say, hey, what's up?
Number 2, I'm good versus I'm doing good.
Native speakers say these all the time, and both are okay.
I'm good equals I feel fine. I'm doing good equals I feel fine and I'm having a good day.
Simple, natural, easy.
Number 3, no worries.
This one means it's okay. Don't worry. It's not a problem.
Yes, people use it all the time. If someone says, I'm sorry I'm late, you say, no worries.
If someone says, oh, I forgot to message you, you say, no worries.
Part 2. Expressions for everyday life. Shopping, work, daily routines.
Number 4, I'm on it.
This means I will do it right now.
Boss says, can you send the email? You answer, yep, I'm on it.
Parent says, please clean your room. Child says, okay, I'm on it, even though they probably are not on it. Number 5, give me a sec.
This is a casual way to say, wait a moment, wait a second.
Your friend calls you, but you're eating noodles. You say, with your mouth full, give me a sec. Okay, better.
Oh my, that noodle sound.
Number 6, let's do it.
This is for motivation or starting something fun. It means, okay, I'm ready. Let's start.
You want to go to the gym? Let's do it. You want to eat pizza? Let's do it.
You want to learn English with Mr. B? Let's do it!
Number 7, sounds good.
This is a very common way to say, yes, okay, that's a good idea.
Friend says, let's meet at 5. You say, sounds good. Mom says, dinner is ready. You say, ooh, that sounds very good.
I knew you'd say that. Food is Mr. B's weakness.
Part 3. Natural conversation fillers. Small words native speakers use constantly.
Number 8, you know.
People use you know to fill space in conversation. Yes, it doesn't mean you actually know. Example, you know, I was thinking maybe we should get some coffee.
Number 9, like.
We use like as a filler too. I went to this place and it was like the best food ever.
It makes you sound natural, but don't use it too much or you will sound like a teenager.
Number 10, I mean.
We use it to explain or correct something.
That movie was terrible. I mean, the acting was terrible.
Number 11, basically.
Used when explaining something simple.
Basically, he forgot his keys.
Basically, it means it's easy.
Basically, I need coffee.
Part 4. Funny and casual phrases.
Number 12. I'm starving.
This means you are very hungry.
Not just hungry, super hungry. Like, I could eat a dinosaur hungry.
Anna.
No dinosaurs for lunch.
Number 13. I'm broke.
This means I don't have money.
Not literally broke, just money broke. After buying a new phone, I'm broke.
Number 14. It's not my thing.
This means I don't like it. It's not for me.
People say, do you want to go skydiving? I say, nope, not my thing.
Me too. I like the ground. I like staying alive. Number 15. I messed up.
Meaning, I made a mistake.
And the best part, it's honest, simple, natural. Part 5. Casual responses native speakers use.
Number 16. Totally.
Meaning, yes, I agree 100%.
Example, English is fun.
Totally! Number 17. Exactly.
People use this to show strong agreement.
Coffee first, work later.
Exactly.
Number 18. Fair enough.
Meaning, I understand your point. That makes sense.
Friend says, I'm tired. I want to go home. You say, fair enough.
Number 19. You got this.
Meaning, you can do it. Good luck.
Very positive phrase. Use it for support.
Number 20. No big deal.
Meaning, it's okay. Not a problem.
Example, oh, I'm late. No big deal. Part 6. Expressions for feelings.
Number 21. I'm so tired.
Add emotion. I'm so tired. You sound more natural.
Number 22. I'm stressed out.
Means you have a lot to do and you feel pressure.
Everyone says this. Everyone.
Number 23. I'm excited.
Use it for something good.
I'm excited for the weekend. I'm excited for food. I'm excited for sleep.
You are excited for everything.
Number 24. That's hilarious.
Meaning very, very funny.
Like Anna pretending she can cook. That is hilarious.
Hey, I can cook. Sometimes.
Part 7. Smart little words that make you sound native.
Number 25. Actually.
Use it to correct or clarify. Actually, I don't like spicy food.
Number 26. Seriously?
Meaning, really? Are you serious? Use with high emotion. Seriously?
Number 27. By the way.
Use when you want to change the topic. By the way, did you eat my chocolate?
No comment.
Number 28. Long story short.
Meaning, let me summarize the story.
Long story short, I lost my phone in my fridge.
What? How?
I don't want to talk about it. Number 29. Kind of.
Meaning a little bit, not 100%. Example, I'm kinda hungry. I'm kinda busy.
Number 30. That's the thing.
Used to explain a problem or important point.
Example, I want a new phone, but that's the thing. It's too expensive. Part 8. Mini conversations using today's phrases.
Conversation 1. At a cafe. Hey, what's up?
Not much, just chilling.
Want some coffee?
Sounds good. Give me a sec. I need to find my wallet.
Oh no, don't be broke today.
Conversation 2. Making plans. Let's go to the mall.
I'm on it, but I'm starving. Food first.
Totally. Food is life. Conversation 3. At work.
Boss says, send the report, please.
Yep, I'm on it.
You got this.
Conversation 4. Talking about problems.
I messed up today.
No worries. It happens.
Thanks. You're nice.
Fair enough. Part 9. Review time.
Let's review quickly. Today we learned casual greetings, conversation fillers, natural expressions, funny everyday phrases, supportive phrases, and emotional expressions.
And you learned them in a super fun, easy way.
Exactly!
Ending. All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode. We hope you feel more confident speaking English like a real native speaker.
Remember to practice these expressions every day. Use them with your friends, family, teachers, coworkers, anyone.
And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.
We love making these fun English lessons for you.
Thank you for listening. Take care and
See you next time. Bye.